So this is a loading technique to your back. So it covers roughly where the belt would begin to roughly about here. So what you're going to need is using a foam roller just like this. You're going to lay it on the floor. You're going to situate it so that you're on the foam roller evenly from left to right side. You're going to use your elbows to distribute more weight, and you're going to use your feet and your elbows to help move your body over the roller. So you're going to go just like that until you find a sensitive area. Once you find a sensitive area, you're going to hold that position and you're going to breathe into it. So right now I feel it right there. I'm going to inhale, exhale, and then try to allow my body to drape over that roller a little bit more. As I start to go up my back, again I'm using my elbows and my feet to help me move my body. Once I feel a sensitive spot, I'm going to hold that position, same thing. I'm going to inhale, exhale, and then just try to allow my body to sink over that roller. What I can do is I can actually take my hands, if it's okay with the load on your back, just place it right back into your head, just like so, and support your head. And do that exact same thing. I'm going to find a spot. We're going to inhale, exhale, and try to drape down a little bit further. So as you start to go into the mid-back, it becomes a little bit easier to tolerate the load or the weight on top of the roller. So you can do more of a pin and stretch technique. So what I'm going to do is demonstrate that now. So what I'm going to do is find an area that's sensitive. I'm going to hold that position, inhale, exhale, so I melt into it. And then with my arms, I'm going to hug myself and just try to curl by curling my head towards my chest and my chest up a little bit while I'm still pivoting on that foam roller itself, and then relax. If I want to get a little bit more, I can take my hands behind my head, hold that position, same thing, drape over that sensitive area. Use my hands to tuck my chin, and then I'm going to curl forward.